8:42, we're back with the last shot. Century Plaza Hotel and Spa will bring you inside to the cozy confines of our BT studio because Karla Dreyer, our design expert, is here. How to design a nursery, because any day now, baby Reggie's going to pop out here, and you have quite the inspiration for us.
I'm so excited. We were just saying, I was like, hold on, because I didn't want him to come before we had the nursery, you know, done here. So excited about this segment because there's so many things. Like, my kids are 7 and 10 now, and so I did a lot of research on what is cool and out there for babies and what you need for the nursery. So I'm going to break it down for you and everyone else.
We have the first photo, if you at home are expecting, of the inspiration behind the nursery. Where do you start if you're putting a vision board together?
Well, this is the overall. So, I mean, there's the things, obviously you need the crib, right? You need the rocker, and you need a soft rug. So those are your basics, but then I want to break it down into how to make it really personal and meaningful for you once you've got those basics in place.
Okay.
So the first is the focal wall. So you can see I did a focal wall here in this one with a wallpaper, but you don't have to do that. But some ideas I wanted to show you that I brought in are, instead of wallpaper, you actually could do wall decals. So this is a local company, Urban Walls. Here it is. It's basically like a sticker. And so you could put this on the wall, take it off when he's like, Dad, I don't like those stars anymore. Yeah. Take that off. You're all good. I love the idea, too, of something personal in art. And I know we were talking about that earlier, about having a piece of art that means something to you. So maybe it's a saying or a song that you sing to your kid. You can actually have that printed and hung in the baby's room. Like
this one's like, sweet dreams, sleep tight. Aww.
We love you, good night.
You know what we did? We got a
nice.
Painting of our dog Smiley over top of the crib, so he's looking down at his baby bro.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. So something, a personal touch. Second thing, sleep. As parents, that's all we talk about, right? Sleep. That's it.
I heard sleep doesn't exist in the first 100 days.
First 100 days? 10 years I haven't slept, okay? So
that's an ongoing thing.
Sleep. So, but one thing I will say, I made a mistake about all this bedding. Like, I thought my baby needed all this whole bedding set. And really, just a beautiful crib sheet and blanket, I think, are what you need. But now there's so many beautiful products that are, like, made out of bamboo and that are organic. Local moms making these. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And then also baby products for them to sleep. You know how we're all into the essential oils and what can we spray in the room that'll help us calm down? They actually make that for babies now. So there's like a baby wash, there's a baby oil, there's a baby spray that will relax baby to fall asleep. Yes.
Okay, I didn't know there was a magical spray for
Yes, there's a magical spray for babies. So I say bedding and the magical spray. So you definitely want that in your nursery. Next thing is special moments. So this is the only time really that you have control over what the room looks like, because eventually it's just a whole bunch of stuffies.
Chaos.
That's it. Yeah. So this is your time to really put the things in that are special for you, that mean something to you. So just like some ideas, like maybe it's your baby's first shoes, like, oh my goodness. Look at those.
There's going to be a little human in these shoes.
So adorable. So always keep these, put them on display. You know, beautiful wood toys. These are from a local Squamish company that makes them all non-toxic. That's something you keep forever. Baby book. Okay, I was really failed in this department, but this is called a mushy book, and you can actually like put this in your nursery. Then when something happens, he rolls over, smiles. You're like, oh, I got the book. Write it in there.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, yeah. So just having those special touches that means something to you. Maybe it's the books that Grandma gave or whatever.
Does this light up, by the way?
I don't know if there's batteries, but it does.
Okay. But a marquee, that's such a nice personal touch.
Exactly, and you could change that up into different things that are going on.
I'll buy extra batteries for that right here.
Right.
The mobile, finally.
And the mobile, it's the number one thing for sure you need is a mobile. There, we got a picture of one. And here's one that actually we had made for your baby here by a local mom. Made this for your little guy. And it's great because you don't have to put it over the crib. You can put it anywhere in the room, and it helps with motor skills, helps them see, helps them like focus. They can reach up and touch it. So, and they're cool now.
And who made this again?
Local mom, Coral and Cloud.
Coral and Cloud.
Coral and Cloud made this for your babe.
Well, thank you, Coral and Cloud. And by the way, the big challenge is going to be keeping the cat away from this thing, because this is very appetizing.
Hang it high. So I just think if this is the time where you're in the room the most. It's about you, really, and you enjoying it, you know, until it's all stuffies one day. So make it meaningful, make it special, and add those personal touches.
Really sweet. Love what you brought here. Lori's going to love it, too.
Oh, good.
We'll send her all these
for you guys.
Ideas. KarlaDreyerDesign.com. By the way, thanks for helping us with our Halloween episode yesterday. She did an awesome job with the set.
You guys rocked it. It was awesome.
I think my child would have been traumatized by that turtle costume.
That's a little scary, but good.
We had fun.
It was good.